Hey, have you heard about the Intro to C# Programming course by ILET Solutions?
Yes, I have. It's a great course for beginners to learn the basics of C# programming.
What is C# programming, and why is it important?
C# is a powerful, cross-platform, object-oriented programming language used by many programmers to create apps for mobile and desktop. It's important because it's widely used in the industry and has a vast community of developers.
What will I learn in the course?
The course teaches the basics of C# programming, including variables, data types, and math operations. You will build on this foundation with practical, hands-on exercises and examples every step of the way.
That sounds interesting. What kind of programs can I create after completing the course?
You will be able to apply your skills to create programs of your own, like a fun Madlib game, that you can add to your portfolio.
Wow, that's great! What's the benefit of learning C# programming?
By the end of the course, you will have gained the fundamental knowledge you need to start creating more projects with C#. It's an essential skill for any programmer looking to develop mobile and desktop apps.